Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today, and hopefully it's going to get just a little bit better because in this video we're going to be going over the June PNG insert, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. And just in case you missed my last video, I'm going to link that in a pinned comment down below. Now, I uploaded it yesterday, but it was a little bit later in the day, so I'm not sure that everybody got to see it or not. Maybe you didn't get a notification, but it's linked in the pinned comment down below. There's some really good deals in there. A lot of buy one, get one free stuff this week, so go and check that out. Alright, Craz-E Couponers, let's jump right in and go through this PNG insert preview for June 2021. Now, I'm not going to go through and read off every coupon, so if you do need to pause the video and read it yourself, feel free to. I'm going to point out a couple, and I'm also going to be throwing in with this giveaway two of the smart sources that came out last Sunday. So you'll get the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue coupons that I was talking about in my last video. There's some pretty good coupons in here. We've got BioFreeze, we've got Sticky Fingers barbecue, we've got Gold Bond, Airwick, Red Gold, some Effordent, Clairol. We've got Coppertone, Compound W, Summer's Eve, a Dollar General ad, and I think that's it. Oh, Colgate on the back. So whoever wins will also receive two of the smart sources from last Sunday. So, yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in to these PNG inserts. So, one thing I do want to mention, though, before we get into it, I did tell you guys to hold off on clipping those Febreze coupons under your Dollar General account. It was 1-off-1 for the wax melts and 1-off-1 for the car clips. Go ahead and clip those because we only received one Febreze coupon in this insert. So, definitely go ahead and clip those to your accounts. And I believe the car clips 1-off-1 2-count car clip coupon is glitching, and it's working on the 1 count, so that'll leave you paying $2 after the coupon. Alright, so let's jump right in here and flip through. First off, we have a high value coupon. It's $10 off Bevel Men's Shave Starter Kit. Kit packaging may vary, so that's a very high value coupon. Expires on 7/03/21. We have a 4-off-2 for the Bevel hair products. Now, some of these coupons will expire in 2 weeks. Some of them will last all month long. See, this one expires on 6/12. 6/12. 6/12. And a lot of these coupons, we will be receiving the same coupons in digital form on Sunday in our Dollar General account. So there's the two magic expiration dates. We have 7/3 and 6/12. So just keep those in mind. Now for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 2 inserts to 2 lucky people. Well, actually 4 inserts. You'll get 2 of the PNG, 2 Smart Source to 2 lucky people. I'm going to go over the rules. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Please turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. You guys know this. You hear me say this stuff on every video. And I still have over half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. And we are so close. I had a goal of hopefully we would hit 10,000 in the month of May. We are coming up on that date really quickly. So this coming up Tuesday will be June the 1st, and I think we're about 500 or 600 people away. So here, as you guys can see, we've tied and gained this month. So we're about 500 or 600 people away from hitting 10,000 subscribers, and I think we can do it if you guys share the video and give the video a thumbs up and all that good stuff. So, but if we don't, that's still good. It's still okay. Here we have a really good coupon, completely freebie. So free Febreze scented oil warmer plug-in, up to $3. These are $3 at DG. At Walmart, I think they're $2.97, so you might get a couple cents in overage there. And that's our only Febreze coupon. I was expecting some buy one get one free coupons, but nope. Here's our only buy one get one free coupon, and it is on the 9 Elements multi-purpose cleaner, bathroom cleaner, or liquid dish soap, and you'll get one for free. Now, I haven't seen these products at my Walmart yet. I'm pretty sure they're at Target. If you have a Target available nearby you, those will be really good coupons. Alright, so back to the giveaway. Please make sure you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, turn those on, give the video a thumbs up. We have one off 2 for the Gain dish liquid. Last month we had one off 1. So those are $2 each at DG, just in case you don't know. So yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. I haven't done this one in a while. Just tell me where you're from. You don't have to tell me city or anything like that, just what state you're in. I kind of think it's pretty interesting to see where everybody's from. And yeah, leave me a comment. And then also I'm going to ask you guys to please share the video. Even if you share it to yourself, just click the share button, and then you can click like text message. It'll send the link in a text message, or you can send it to an email, or you can send it through Instagram. Just share the link to the video, and that will tell YouTube to kind of push the video out there a little bit further and invite some more crazy couponers into our community and family that we have here. So this last one I want to point out, we have 5 off 3 for the Secret Outlast Fresh Old Spice Red Collection or Gillette Invisible Solid. Now, we usually have Ibotta rebates that match up with this. I didn't double check before I did this video, but I am pretty sure that we definitely have, rebates on the Old Spice Red Collection for Ibotta at Walmart. So that may be a really good coupon matchup there. Alright guys, and that is it for June 2021 P&G insert preview. I'm going to pop up the rules for the giveaway right here. Alright guys, so here it is, nice, short, sweet, and simple. I know I was kind of jibber-jabbering through the giveaway rules, but it's only 5 things that I'm asking you guys to do. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notifications, give the video a thumbs up, hit that share button and share this video, even if it's to yourself. It really helps me out. And leave a comment down below and let me know, what state are you from? Now, please make sure that your notifications are turned on. That's probably the most important step of these rules, because I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway either in Sunday's video or Monday's video. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on, because you will have 24 hours to get back in touch with me, send me your information, and that way I can get these inserts mailed out to you ASAP so that you don't miss out on any deals. Now, just in case you are new here and this is your first giveaway, I do want to mention that all of the information where you can reach me at is in the description box below. Of course, you guys can always comment on the videos, but if you want to reach out to me directly, you can direct message me on Instagram. It's at Crazy Coupons, or I also have an email set up. It's crazycoupons1@gmail.com. But definitely check down in the description box for the spelling, because it is crazy with an E, not a Y. And also, if you are a new subscriber, please leave me a comment down below and let me know that you are new here so that I can welcome you into our crazy coupon community here. We love to have you. Glad that you're here. Glad that you found us. And thank you so much for subscribing and for supporting this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a minute today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck on the giveaway. Now, I will have another video uploaded tomorrow with some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General, so be on the lookout for that. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.